Hello, my name is Pavel Alvarado. Going to talk about the Minero Suite editing applications, render properties, objects, and table view. My goal is to expose that by editing objects, personalizing render properties, and displaying table view, altogether brand narrow and efficient user interface. In this exercise, an existing Minero project will be operated. Let's start opening the identifier.minero project. Make sure mouse have 3 buttons. Scroll middle button to zoom in and zoom out. Hold middle button to pan. Left and right buttons and combination of keys for editing purposes. I am going to create a new object. N key is for new object. I'm going to select from the pick list polygons. And I will call it plan. There are two modes in Minero. Mode is always displayed at the bottom of the UI. By default, it is in render mode. Use E key to go to edit mode and V key to go to render mode. Once in editing mode, use left button to drop a point. Use left button one more time and you'll notice a cyan square, a purple or green line, and blue square. Colors can change based on background color. To add more segments to the polygon, drop left button. Cyan square on the green line means it is the beginning of the polygon. Blue square on the green line is the end of the polygon. Use right button to delete the latest point. To switch directions, use Shift key plus right button. To record the polygons edition, use R key. To edit an existing polygon, use Shift key plus left button. To select the polygon and to select the segments you want to edit in the polygon. Use Ctrl key plus left button to pick up a point in polygon and hold left button to move the point. To snap to a point, use Ctrl. To snap to a segment, use Ctrl key plus Alt key. To delete an entire polygon, use delete key. And R key to record. To multi-snap, use Alt key plus left button to trace. Use Alt plus left button on the last point to finalize multi-snap. R to record. To multi-delete, use Alt key plus left button. Then select first sign point to define initial point. Highlight the side of the segment of the polygon that you want to delete. and use delete key to delete those segments. Render properties and table views are available for all objects. In render properties, color, shape, pattern, and annotation must be personalized. For all objects, table view is divided in info and contents. Info to get general information, and contents to display detailed information. Numerical and categorical variables must be created to manage mineral objects. While in render mode, right button on a unit object will give you the detailed information in table contents for that selected unit. Okay, thank you for taking the time to learn about Mineral Suite general aspect.